Hi, it's Steve the Floor Plan Man. Welcome back. Now today we're going to be talking about the most important things that you need to be adding to your floor plans. As always, without further ado, let's get into it. Now number one is measurements. Now be sure to show measurements on your plan. Show your total areas as well. Show per floor and show collectively the total square area. This is really important for any prospective buyer or tenant. Also, where possible, show maximum and minimum measurements per room. This is particularly useful for the rental market. Many tenants may have their own furniture that they want to bring to the property, so this will give them a good idea of what furniture might or might not fit in the property. Now number three is appliance locations. So when it comes to the kitchens and utilities, it's obviously really important to show where the sink and the cooker is located. Kitchens are really important rooms in any home. So the layout of these is crucial for anybody looking to buy or rent the property. So try and give as much information as you can here. Number four is bathrooms, and the same rule applies here as it does to kitchens and utility rooms. Make sure that you show all of the fixtures and fittings. Now I'm talking baths, showers, bidets, toilets and so on. And if your software allows you to show things like heated towel rails, why not chuck one of those in as well? Number five is doors. Now it's just a quick note on this, but the flow of a property is really important, and to show this right on the floor plan, make sure that you add the doors correctly. Make sure that they hinge in the right direction and they open the right way. Next, show a compass. Now this is crucial on every floor plan. The orientation of a property is really important, so make sure that you show a North Point compass on all of your floor plans. And finally, watermark your plan. Now this is really important. It can help strengthen your brand, especially if you're using company colours, like the one I've shown here. It looks really professional, and it's just that little extra mile to make your properties look that little bit better than your competitors. But also, it will stop your competitors lifting your plan if they have the opportunity. It only takes a few minutes to do, and it looks really professional. So in summary, this is all quite basic stuff, but I can guarantee that your competitors aren't doing all of these, and it's another way that you can stand out from the crowd. I know that there are lots of things that you property professionals do to attract vendors to your business. So don't let floor plans drag down the service that you offer. Make them an extra part of your package and another reason for vendors to choose you by spending an extra 2 or 3 minutes adding all of these little extra things that I've gone through today. So it was just a quick one today. I hope these hints and tips have been useful for you. If they have been, please give us a like and subscribe. We'd much appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.